And there it is, and of course I'm very excited. Thick box, 12.2 inches. Wow. How to find apps. Cleaning claw. Alright, that must be a keyboard. Satisfaction. Wow. Wow. Buttons. We do have USB Type-C, huge speakers, double speakers, and on the top, microphones, volume button, another microphone, so many microphones, power button, more speakers, and at the bottom, that stuff. Alright, so, not sure where's the bottom. Is that the bottom? Anyway, matte finish. So, no reflections. HUAWEI. Harmony OS 4. Try it now. Download and install. Update. Wow. Assistant for today. Next, I agree. Allow. That is truly a high quality device. Damn, look how fast that is. Okay, update. Install now, please. That was fast. Keyboard. Now it smells amazing. Neuralink. First of all, check out the specs. I'll put the specs all around this beautiful device. All around it. Specs. Pause the video if you want to read them. Well, yeah. Let's continue. And how do we do it? Well, just placing on the keyboard just like that, lifting, and done. Nice. I love that screen. OLED matte finish. It means then the sun has no effect of the screen quality, no reflections at all, and it is great for productivity all around you. Nice. And we can, I have to even touch the device itself, just the screen. Look, that is basically straight. You can go further. You can go even further. How sick is that? Wow. There are two different magnet settings. Closer and further. Let's do further away. And then let's check the hinge. Wow. I love the hinge. Bam. Goes all the way. All right. But what about... Okay, let's put it a bit closer. What is that? Not sure what is that. Alright, some kind of notepad scope. Alright. The pen. The pen can be stored at the top. Magnets. There you go. Stylus. Oh, should I do it like this? Oh. And now it's charging. Whee! Super cool. I didn't know that. Wow. Cool feature. And you can also store it down below, where it's supposed to be stored, for transportation. And it's also charging. What do you mean transportation? You see there's a... Here he is, inside. Do you see him? There he is. And when we close the device, I should try to do it in front of camera. When we close the device, it will nicely store that pen safely, won't fall off, it's safe inside the case. How cool is that? And when we open the device again, okay, I think I pressed accidentally something. Look. Magnets! Very hardcore magnets. It's so tight. Look how tight that is. Oh! Strong magnets, very strong magnets. Also, we can do it like this. If you wanted to. Maybe you wanted to. I think we lost that back. Talk about screen. And screen it is. If we go to the settings, alright, and hit display size, that's not what I meant. screen refresh rate. We have 144 Hertz, or dynamic, or standard 60. We don't want 60, we want 144, which is super cool. Super smooth, I like that a lot. But what about pen features? Here we go, here we go. Let me go back, let me find a new case. First we need to choose, there you go, choose a different one. Maybe this one, or this one, or this one, okay. Oh wow, it's like real paper and a real pencil. It's so accurate. Wow, okay, let me do something like more. Something a bit bigger. Oh, that's lighter. Okay, I guess. Oh, okay. Okay. I want more special. Wow. Watercolor. All right. Favorite, recent, oil painting. Huh. Artistic. Oh, there's so many. What was that? Okay, so many of them. Hundreds of them. Wow. Okay, maybe the regular one. I want the regular one. Line. Just line. Just give me a line. But a bit more like, yeah. A little bit more, please. No, it's, how can I make it? Oh, there it is. Just draw the line. Just draw the line. And then I can do this. Look. Ha! Like it was water. That is sick. I love that. Cool. Cool. Of course, my skills, my drawing skills, my painting skills are none. So, yeah. Erasing. Okay then. All right. There's many more. Let me swipe it. There's also a PDFs. For example, invoice arrived and you have to sign it quickly and send it back. Pencil. And here you go. Not wasting time. Gain time with such a device. I like that a lot. But what kind of power do we have in this one? And power it is. It means benchmark 1375 to 4357. So 1.3, it's like S22 Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and multi-core 4300. That's somewhere around Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Snapdragon 7 Gen Plus 2. Okay, but those numbers doesn't mean anything if you cannot game. So let's game. Call of Duty Mobile. Looks smooth to me. What should we take? Nice. Oh, that screen. I think I already said it like 100 times, but the screen is amazing. And sound. Quad speakers. It means 4 of them. Oh, wow. Cool. Oh, I think I had a sniper rifle. Take it. Ha! Ha! Wow, gaming on such a screen is so amazing. It'll give you an advantage. Almost got it. Think it. Ha ha! Ha ha! Get down, sniper! Alright. Ha! I got 3 of them. Sniper. Enemy sight. This should be a double kill. Double kill. Reloading. Whoa! Ha! Double kill. Dead. just crazy.
Get down, sniper. Target down. Contact with enemy. Sniper. Enemy down.
They onto me, they onto me.
Changing mag, cover me.
Get him, get him, get him, get him. Ah, they got me, they got me, they got me. That was insane. The sniper rifle was super cool.
Target down. Tango down.
I'm just gonna wait.
Target. Tango down. We've taken the lead. Friendly predator missile inbound. Enemy contact.
Ha 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 ha. By the way, a keyboard. Let me just store that pen like it's supposed to be stored. Charging nicely. And yeah, for example, let me type something. Nice. Touchpad is very responsive. I wish we could have such a touchpad in the tablets, laptops. It's so smooth. Maybe it's because of the Android itself. What was that? Look, I'm touching here. Some kind of shortcuts. Oh, okay. We type no copyright sound. There it is. There it is. There it is. I like that a lot. And let's test speakers. Oh, that smoothness. Speakers needs to be tested. Maximum volume. Very clean sound. Super clean, but we need something and full screen. Come on. Super clean sound and loud. 4 speakers, quad speakers. I have to shout. Too loud. All right. Let me show you one of my videos. We're gonna test the quality. We're gonna test the quality. Wow. Wow. Alright, but we need more resolution.
Z iPhone'em 16 Pro.
Nagrywany na dysk
There it is.
zewnętrzny
4K
dysk
in
NVMe,
HDR.
2 terabajty. Dość sporo możemy tego nagrać na tak
Let
duży
me
dysk.
put it on the full screen.
Przejdźmy się
Damn!
tutaj. Przypominam, iż
Juicy.
by zobaczyć to prawidłowo,
Juicy.
potrzebujesz odpowiedniego urządzenia,
Juicy screen.
które jest kompatybilne właśnie.
And the camera. And in the camera, it's such a wide angle in 4K. In Full HD, it's a little bit of crop. And 30 frames per second for the front-facing camera, 60 for the rear camera. It's such a wide view. Then you can vlog with it. You can stream with it. What does that mean? It means yesterday I was eating something in the restaurant. So I've placed that tablet in front of me and everything was in a frame. The food was in a frame, I was in a frame, everything. So ideal for such a, if you do such a stuff. Of course, okay, are we going to have autofocus in front facing camera? We don't, but you can go very close with focus. And the main lens, we need some kind of subject. Let me just put it a bit closer. Oh yeah, there is autofocus and so much details. Wow. Crunky. Nice, super nice. Okay, let's go back. Of course, we do have more. It means Pro mode if you wanted to, so you can hit ISO, all kinds of shutter mode, focus, with all kinds of features. A bit closer because this is an HDR screen, HDR photo from that device. Amazing, and the amount of details. All right, let me show you some samples. Front-facing camera in 4K, 30 frames per second. And same for the main lens with zoom. Zoom. All right. But if you want the wide angle, you have to go full HD. Battery is hard to say. I have this device for a very short time, so it's too early to judge, but it will last me a whole day. It all depends. Of course, when you're gaming, of course. But if with a regular use, it's like a smartphone, big battery. All right, camera again. Let me take a picture. Bam. Let me show you that picture. Let me edit that picture. For example, I don't want myself in a picture. That was quick. Did you see how quick that was? Amazingly quick. Shockingly quick. You see, the latest smartphones are also doing such a stuff, but they are very slow. You have to wait like 15 seconds. For example, edit, and let me remove that building. Instant. Just like 2 seconds. 1, 2. What about that? Bam! 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 Maybe that. Yeah. Wow. And let me make a picture again. Okay, let me just make a picture again. Maybe like this. All right. And when we hit edit and beauty mode. Oh, did you see? Did you see how intense it is? And we have all kinds of features. And wow. The intensity of that beauty mode is vast. And of course, if someone won't believe me, I can erase myself very quickly. But it will learn, and will learn that it's extremely thin, great speakers, probably, most likely, the best OLED tablet screen ever, and it's super cool. And the whole package is with like ultra premium quality. The plastics, touchpad, keyboard, it's all super fancy. It comes with a premium price, but you will get a premium, ultra premium device. Link in the description. See you next video.